It's been a really, 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 really long time since I've done one of these types of videos. It has been around a year since I've done one of these. But yeah, you saw the title. We're building an over 15-year-old Lego set. Now I can't tell you exactly when this is from, but I know it's pretty old. But yeah, give me a second and we'll get to building. Alright, hello again. So this is like, I can't give you an exact date on. Here, let me look at the instruction manual. And yes, this has been pre-opened, and I bought this at a yard sale, so it's missing 2 pieces. So that might be a issue when we Alright, here's the instruction booklet. Alright, so the back of the manual says the copyright, the copyrights were 2003. So can't really, so I guess 2003, which means this thing is turning 20 years old this year. 20 years old. So you're telling me this box, right? It's like not perfect, but 20 years old. There's definitely some fading around the edges. There's obviously a crease. The paint here is starting to, or like print here is starting to come off. But other than that, that is not bad. Lego must make some indestructible boxes. Well, it looks like most of this is already like somewhat together, so this might be like a quicker than usual thing. And instead of speeding it up, because it looks so intact, I'm just gonna build it in real time and see how long it takes and like talk to you guys in the process. But so I guess let's get started. Okay, well, this is really dirty. Really dirty. That is like really dirty. Okay. So this is the piece that they warned me was not gonna be here. But they said the other one could possibly be missing too. That's not missing, so that's good. But I was kind of looking forward to like building this thing. Probably gonna add it to my Lego City. Yeah. Let's get into it, I guess. So, content for us has been all over the place lately. Mostly because we just don't feel like it most days. Because we have other things going on now, since now that we're like pretty much out of the pandemic, we just don't have nearly as much time as we used to make videos, so that's why our content is like, our content levels are pretty low. Alright, so I guess we can skip to like the first like 9-ish steps. Weird. I guess we'll just start searching for pieces. Man, these like 20-year-old instructions barely tell you anything. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and assume that this fits on there, like so. Okay, so I think that's a rail. Okay, well, there's someone's carpet. Right, so yeah, of course you know that this thing is missing. So, I think we need like, what, a tube stud? I'll be right back. Alright, so I was able to sacrifice one of my really little Lego sets that probably isn't even completely intact. Okay, that doesn't sound good. So I'll put that there. And hope that that does okay as a substitute part. Now I know that these are like custom pieces and you can't order them off of the Lego store anymore, but that could very well affect how this goes, like how it works and stuff. So let's keep going. Just now discovered the minifigures. Print looks fine on them. I mean, looks brand spanking new. I mean, it looks like the helmets haven't come off of these things ever since it was sold to me. The stickers on the second minifigure are coming off. But I mean, other than that, these are fine. I mean, for like paying $10 for this thing, I was expecting a little less. Here's the snowboard. These are some chunky and heavy snowboards compared to the some of the modern snowboards I have made by Lego. I mean by modern, I mean like 2007, so like 4 years later, but hang on, so now we're actually getting to like build stuff. Hang on, I need to... Man, this is like... this is the weirdest way to build Lego. Hang on. Hold up. Wait a minute. Something is not right. Like, really not right, okay. I think we're missing a massive piece. Like, huge piece. Okay, maybe now I can see why it was $10. Complete these things can sell for like $50, so... Okay, so that might affect something. What? It's missing like the entire... It's missing this piece. It's like massive. It's missing the other side of this. So not only is it missing that, it's missing this too. Time. Can't return it because the airtail was weeks ago, but... I just realized they weren't supposed to they weren't supposed to put the stickers on the minifigures themselves. They were supposed to put them on the jerseys. On the Alright, someone... Okay, well there's a Mega Block thing in here. And there we get stuck. Okay. This is not looking promising at all. I was thinking about adding this to my city, but now seeing that so many pieces are missing, I'm starting to debate that a little bit. Just a tiny bit. Now I can see why it was $10. I mean, like, at least include. Like, can't you find a spare piece? Like, everyone has Lego these days, right? I don't really understand why you can't go around and find I mean, this is a pretty general piece that comes in most sets. I mean, I bet I can go downstairs and find something for that. Alright, I guess let's keep skipping. Looks like we're missing more pieces. Okay. Okay. It's starting to concern me. Just a little bit. Just the slightest tiny little bit. I know you guys can't even see me. I'm basically just talking to the camera at this point, but yeah, I mean, now I can see why it was $10. But it's fine, we'll keep going. Let me see. I mean, of course, you know, I can't really do a review on this because it's turning 20 this year. But, yep, we're missing 2 more pieces. Alright, cool. 2 more gone. Okay, I think we're okay. Man, this thing is missing way more than 2 pieces. Oh, no, it's not. Maybe I'm just blind. Alright, let's see here. I know, I just completely left the frame now. But, alright. We're slowly moving. We're cruising along here. We're fine. We're good. Yeah. Just try and find some more pieces to hopefully scrap together. Okay, that's not good. Yeah, this thing is missing way more pieces than it was advertised to be missing. Dude, what? Why is this thing missing so many pieces? It's literally missing like 90% of the set. I guess I'll build what I can. And that... Yeah, I mean... That's crazy. Well, again, I'll finish the set just because I'm already recording, but I think we can conclude from today's video that you should not trust yard sales, because you might get scammed like I did. But we do. Okay. Yeah, let's keep building. I'm gonna be pretty laser focused here, so I'm probably not gonna be talking much. But man, what in the dude, you can tell these pieces are 20 years old. They do not snap together like they probably used to. Now, I'm most likely missing something, but we're connecting the two bigger pieces. Go. Okay. Wow, this thing is actually a lot bigger than I thought. Let's see here. This Technic thing. But man, I can't speak. Dude. Sometimes you just don't learn from your mistakes. Like me. Hang on, I screwed up. Of course I did. Whenever I'm like not talking for 2 minutes, it's because I'm having a brain fart and I can't figure out why things are not working the way that they're supposed to. So, I'm already thinking about the title of this video. Buying a 20-year-old Lego set so you don't have to. Let's keep going here. Alright, connecting. Well, I guess we're now connecting non-existent pieces. Cool. Alright, we're putting Technic pins in the side of them now. I can only assume. What? I am beyond confused right now. We're missing like thousands of parts. Oh, okay, well, there it goes. Split like the Titanic. There we go, alright. Speaking of which, I might get the 9,090 piece Lego Titanic to, if I can save up enough money, of course, because it's like $679 or something like that. Manageable. Probably not by the end of the summer. But anyway, get back to building. And connecting non-existent pieces per usual. Okay. That in there. Okay. I don't understand why they made it like that. Beats me. Bro, what in the... Oh, okay. Oh, okay. We're actually building something now. Where's the... Okay, so I think the only goal here is to have like one functioning thing on the entire set. That's going to be our goal for today. Have one thing function on this entire set. Now that might be a big ask, but we will try anyway. This Technic pin is in here for no reason. Actually, never mind, it need to build for it to function. Well, I found the reason for this piece. Okay, that's gonna give a more sturdy connection. That's good. There we go. Alright, that's a somewhat more sturdy connection. Alright, let's keep moving now. This thing goes where? Does it just literally loosely... Oh no, it holds... Okay, this holds it in. Okay, that makes a bit more sense. Or not. Yep, have to skip that side. Let's see. Here. Never mind, those Technic pins weren't in there for no reason. They actually serve a purpose, can you believe it? I can't. Put that, shove that in there. There we go. Now we have a... Okay, well maybe we don't need this. Or that. So we'll just have a couple random Technic pin. Actually, no, we don't need any of this. We don't need any of that. Okay, maybe we do. Dude, literally, as soon as I look away, we need the piece. That is beyond unlucky. Alright, so we actually only need it on one side, because the other side's non-existent. I know this is going to be a pretty long video, so if you're still watching, thank you for putting up with my shenanigans. Alright, let's see here. It needs to be next to this, so if we can remove that, put that down there. Which means we'll have room for that. Alright, blue one. Just the red one, where's the blue? Another piece missing. Cool, cool, cool. This entire mechanism is just sitting here. Yeah, so that's missing too. Great. Then the red one goes there. Cool. Alright, well, that's nice. Hang on, I missed 2 pieces at the beginning. That's fine. Actually, no, I missed 4 pieces. Missed 4 pieces at the beginning. That's fine, too. Alright, yep. Uh-huh. Yep, one of them's missing that. Somehow. That's missing, those are missing. It's missing as well. That one's fine. This one I can... Alright, this thing. I need this. Alright, that like that. Just completely leave the front. Alright, so I'm assuming that it's gonna go there. And there, look at that. Finish line. There we go. Okay, next page. That, oh, no, it doesn't have the okay, so we're missing a tree. What else are we missing? We're missing the correct colored flag. Okay. Be right back, guys. Man, literally the one of the one reasons. Oh my god, what is growing on that piece? Okay. That'll go in like that. Oh. Okay. Alright. So we have this mechanism done. Yeah, yada yada. Okay. So these connect. Man, that is weird. There's some unique build techniques for this. There we go. Right, that and there like that. Okay, so maybe we do need the 2x2s on the back. Look at that. That's better. In there, I forgot to do that. Okay, I think we're done. Just about. I mean, the spacing on these things. Oh my gosh, dude. Alright, so it's missing the... what else is missed? Okay, well. Now we have permanently screwed up stuff. Oh, no, we don't. Well, it's fine, because this one's broken anyway. Alright. Let's connect it via these pins. And there we go. Alright. We're done. I mean, minus, you know, a couple little minor things. Alright, so that's physically impossible to connect. I guess we can put these flags around. Or we can put them up here. Lego ain't no way using okay. They didn't use an illegal building technique. We're good. A flag there. And we're missing the other flag. Cool. about what I assumed for this. That doesn't go anywhere. That doesn't go anywhere. Alright. That's the finished product, right? Well, I mean, it doesn't really capture the whole thing. Here, let me push it back a little bit. Now it does. Okay. Oh, crap. Okay. Now, okay. I think this is the only side of the course that is, well, somewhat intact. Here, let's make it fully intact. So this was supposed to be a dual, like, racer thing. Hang on. 2, 3, 4, 5. Wind up. Okay. Alright, so that's the only functional side. So we'll put the most intact minifigure on there. On his little snowboard there. We'll put him up on the thing and we'll send him. That's okay. Hey, I mean, that works. Guess let's see. Let's see what happens when we send him on this side. Will he gap it, or will he just fall out? Let's see. Or he will crash where the one missing piece was. Okay. So he just slams into a wall and then falls into the pit. Yeah. So that was buying a 20-year-old Lego set so you don't have to. So what did we learn in today's video? Well, 1, don't trust yard sales. 2, it's missing a lot of pieces. I mean, that's pretty much what happens. And number 3, 20-year-old stuff can still work. Alright, well, that was buying a 20-year-old Lego set so you don't have to. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.